So, out in the shop, we want to be able to powder coat some of these parts that we have. So, stuff like this guy, it would be really nice to be able to clean that right up and then powder coat it. So, I picked up one of these Eastwood. This is just like the cheap Eastwood powder coat gun. And there's really not much to it. And got some powders over here. Dun, dun, dun. And then we got this little part. We got this little tiny oven. Whoops. Got this little tiny oven here. This little toaster oven. Oh! And then we got that bracket. So we're gonna powder coat this thing right now. So, we just took this part out of the oven and just put a little bit of a heat on it. And we got some of this like cosmic chrome, or hopefully it's just chrome. We're gonna try it and see how it does. Okay, so we gotta hook this guy up. This ground. It's gonna go to here. And then hook up the power. And I think we want it on the first setting.
Low voltage?
Yeah. Or maybe it's the bigger one first. I can't remember. I don't know. Okay, and then you gotta squeeze. I put the trigger, that little dead man switch, I just attached it to the gun. And so I think now you just blow a little, fog some powder on it.
5 to 10 psi.
That seems like excessive. It's gonna blow it everywhere. Let's try it.
Okay, I'm gonna push it. So push the button and fucking spray it.
Yeah. Oh, maybe, okay, turn it up, maybe more.
It is coating it.
Yeah, it is. Whoa, too close.
Maybe need more powder.
Oh yeah? Okay, add some more.
I'm just gonna.
Well, try shaking it while you do it. They're notoriously sort of shitty for that.
Nope.
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of powder. We'll be back. I wonder how chromy it's gonna turn out.
It seemed to be getting up there very good.
We can spin it around, just don't hit the trigger while you touch the rack, I think.
How do you know how good coverage you got?
I don't know. I don't know. It looks like there's lots on it. Oh! Shit! The airline blew off. That scared the shit.
Yeah.
Do we gotta touch anything up?
Alright, just go with it and see. We can always redo it.
Okay.
Now, how long does that go in the oven for?
20 minutes. In you go. And now we wait.
20 minutes. It's gonna be a long 20 minutes.
Okay, it's been 20 minutes. We're super pumped because through the window, it looks pretty shiny. On the wood again?
Yeah. When you did that block of wood.
I don't know, it fell when that air shot off. Oh, right here. Well, that's pretty awesome. We'll let it cool and then we'll have a better look. Woohoo! So there's the results of that chrome. And for a first time, it actually turned out really nice. Awesome. Woohoo! That's cool.